Hello everyone, welcome in Balakrishna classes Sawantwadi. My name is Sriram Kanse. Today we are start first chapter related to subject physics. Chapter name is Units and Measurement. This chapter is related to 11th science stream. Units and measurement we are used in daily life. Suppose we need to measure a number of quantities, for example, size of object, volume of liquid, amount of substance, weight of fruits, vegetables, and the length of cloth, etc. etc. In that time we are use units and measurement. So first point is system of unit. So when we are discuss about system of unit, we know that what is unit. Unit means what? Units of standard of measurement need to standard of measurement of physical quantity is called as unit. So system of units are four types: CGS, MKS, FPS and SI. CGS means centimeter, gram, second system. MKS meter, kilogram, second system. FBP foot, pound, second system. And SI means what? System, international unit. So first three we are recently used. In Paris in 1971, 14th International General Conference related to weights and measurement, and he recommended to use international system of unit is called as SI unit. Is called as SI unit, and the SI unit is decimal system, and conversion of a system is very simple and convenient. So all over world we are use the SI unit. So now we are discuss about second point is fundamental quantity and units. What is meant by fundamental quantity? A physical quantity which do not depend on any other physical quantity is called as fundamental quantity. What I am saying? The physical quantity which do not depend upon any other physical quantity is called as fundamental quantity. And there are 7 fundamental quantities. The name is length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, intensity and amount of substance. The 7 fundamental quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, intensity and last one is amount of substance. And it's having units meter, length having units meter, mass having unit kilogram, time having unit second, temperature having unit Kelvin, electric current having unit ampere, intensity candela, amount of substance is mole. This is the SI unit of these 7 fundamental quantities, and this is your symbol M, kg, S, K, A, CD and mole. These are the symbol of 7 fundamental quantity, and this is the SI unit of 7 fundamental quantities. So now we are discuss about what is derived quantity and units. What is derived quantity? The definition is a fundamental quantity which depends on any other fundamental quantity. Suppose your physical quantity is called fundamental quantity, and fundamental quantity which depend on any other physical quantity then is called as derived quantity. Means what? We are derive the quantity. Okay. So for example, the velocity. What is meant by velocity? Velocity means velocity is depend on displacement upon time. Displacement is called as length. So displacement having unit is meter. So I use symbol is m here. What? We are use symbol is m here. And time is symbol, time unit is second, the symbol is s. So I written here s. So you got velocity, SI unit of velocity is equal to meter per second. What is my SI unit of velocity is meter per second. So this is called as derived quantity and derived units. So next, after the 7 fundamental quantities, we are calculate 2 supplementary units, and the name are plane angle and solid angle. So what is meant by plane angle? Plane angle means what? Is defined d theta. D theta is equal to ds upon r. So let us see this figure. This is your center is O, and this is your r plane is defined ds, and this is your radius of circle. Okay. For example, we have find out the distance between Earth to Moon. In that time, we are use plane angle. Is d theta is equal to r plane upon radius. So plane angle is depend on your length and your radius of circle. Okay. So next, second is solid angle is defined d ohm. So d ohm is equal to dA upon r square. Means what? The solid angle is depend on your surface area and the square of radius. What? The solid angle is depend on your surface area and square of radius. So today we are discuss related to chapter units and measurement. First is system of unit. There are 4 system of unit: CGS, MKS, FPS and SI unit. After these 4 units, we are used a common system of unit is called as SI unit. Okay. So next, second point is fundamental quantity and units. Fundamental quantity means what? The physical quantity which do not depend on any other physical quantity is called as fundamental quantity. And there are 7 fundamental quantity. 7 fundamental quantity having 7 SI unit having 7 symbol. Okay. So next we discuss about derived quantity and derived units. Derived quantity means what? The fundamental quantity which depends on any other fundamental quantity is called as derived quantity, and the unit we are derived. Okay. So just for example, this velocity is equal to meter per second. This is a velocity, SI unit of velocity. Next we discuss about supplementary units. After the 7 fundamental quantity, we are calculate supplemental units. There are 2 supplementary units. First is plane angle. Plane angle is defined d theta and is depend on your length per unit radius of circle, and the solid angle is defined d ohm is depend on your surface area and square of radius. Okay. I hope you understood this all points. When you understood this all point, then subscribe me and like me. Thank you.